Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our podcast about the experience of using technology during the COVID pandemic. Over the past year and a half, the pandemic has forced us to adapt to new ways of learning, working, and communicating. Technology has played a crucial role in this education, allowing us to connect with others, access information, and continue our education and work remotely. In this podcast, we will explore the experiences of learners who have utilized technology during the pandemic. We will discuss the challenges they have faced, the benefits they have experienced, and the innovative approaches to learning and work that have emerged as a result of technology. We will also examine the potential long-term effects of using technology for distance learning and how we can ensure that technology is used in a way that is equitable and accessible for all learners. Join us as we dive into the world of technology and its impact. Join us as we dive into the world of technology and its impact on education during the COVID pandemic. So, please welcome our guest today. So, we have two speakers. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, my name is Alfin Nur R. And hi, my name is Yofi Indrianti.
So there, I have a question for you guys. What do you think about the challenges of learners may face in utilizing technology during distance learning?
So my experience with technology in the COVID era, when the COVID-19 pandemic hit, my school was forced to switch to distance learning. As a student, this moment that I had to rely heavily on technology to continue my education. At first, I was excited about the prospect of learning from home, but I quickly realized that there were many challenges that come with this new way of learning, such as lack of technological competence, or maybe many learners may not be familiar with the technology, which can make it difficult for them to participate fully in coursework units. Challenges with communication. Distance learning can make it difficult for learners to communicate with their instructors and classmates, which can lead to misunderstanding and confusions. One of the biggest challenges I faced was technical difficulties. Sometimes my internet connection would be slow or unreliable, which made it difficult to participate in online classes or complete assignments. I also had trouble managing the different functions, and then it was frustrating to spend hours trying to figure out how to use a new program. And then I missed the social aspects of school and the ability to ask my teachers questions in person despite the challenges.
What about you? Do you feel any benefit in utilizing technology during the pandemic for learners?
So I also had some positive experience with technology during the COVID era. For example, I appreciate the flexibility that distance learning provides. I could complete my coursework at my own pace and on my own schedule, which allowed me to balance schoolwork with other responsibilities. With technology in the COVID era was a mixed bag. While it provides some benefits such as flexibility, electronic learning is an interactive learning system that uses informative and communicative technology to reach the learner and use a complete electronic and numeric environment to present educational course online networks. A study found that the advantages of technology learning include saving time and effort of the lecture by switching to online lecture. then widely used in academic purposes. A study found the use of ICT tools and applications are being widely used in academic purposes during the COVID-19 pandemic, and these tools help teachers, learners, and academic institutions for teaching and learning activities. This might involve providing device, internet access, digital literacy training, mental health support, and flexibility in teaching methods to accommodate diverse learning needs. It also presented many challenges such as technical difficulties and lack of face-to-face interaction.
So, what's your hope for future of using technology in education?
I hope that in the future we can find ways to incorporate the benefits of technology into traditional classroom settings while still maintaining the social and interactive aspect of learning. Looking towards in the future, there are many exciting possibilities for utilizing technology in education. Like education technology can have positive impact on learners' self-efficacy in the future. We may see more emphasis of using technology to improve learners' communication. And then, in the future, we may see more development of online education platforms that utilize technology to provide high-quality education content and support for learners. Overall, in the future of technology in education is promising with many possibilities for enhancing the learning experience and improving outcomes for learners. Yeah, I think that's my opinion about using technology in education for about in COVID-19 era.
So, what's your hope of using technology in education for future?
Because of the COVID-19 pandemic has forced many educational institutions to convert all teaching to digital formats, and initial research shows that students prefer face-to-face teaching. However, with the right adjustment in design of educational material, personal learning habits, guidance, and interaction with fellow students can have positive access to digital. There are many ways of technology that have the potential to improve educational in the future. With the right adjustment and focus on inquiry-based learning, students can have positive access to digital studies and increase learning success. Blockchain technology can help with credit management, mass data storage, and optimization of the educational system. Incorporation of drone aircraft in the critical care file will likely impact the way Medicam is practiced.
Okay guys, thank you for joining us on this podcast about the experience of using technology in education during the COVID pandemic. We hope that our discussions have provided valuable insights into the challenges and benefits of utilizing technology for distance learning. As we look towards the future, it is clear that technology will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the way we approach education. While there are certainly challenges to overcome, such as ensuring equitable access to technology and addressing concerns about screen time and digital overload, there are also many exciting possibilities of enhancing the learning experience and improving outcomes for learners of education. We encourage you to continue exploring the world of technology and its impact on education by staying information. We can work together to create a future that is both technological advanced and socially responsible. Thank you again for listening, and we look forward to continuing the conversation about the role of technology in education. Thank you to my speaker today. So that was our discussion today with our podcast. I'm Devi Eka N as a host. Thank you for watching our podcast. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye guys.